In today's class, we are going to solve the problems on complex variables, that is type 2. Type 2. Here construction of here construction 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 of analytic function, construction of analytic function given its real or imaginary real or imaginary parts. This is our next method. The type 1 is construction of type 1 is finding derivative of an analytic function by checking whether it is analytic or not. Here type 2 construction of analytic function whose real or imaginary parts. Here there is a working procedure. In this also we have a two category. The first one is Cartesian curve. Here in case of polar curve or a polar function. So if the given complex valued function f of z in terms of u is a function of x and y plus I into v is a function of x and y, I plus I v into, here in case of Cartesian, so we have to find u suffix x if the given real or imaginary part. If the given real part, we have to find the corresponding partial derivatives ux uy. If the given imaginary part, we have to find vx vy. Next, by using f dash of z, we already familiar with this. We know that f dash of z is ux plus I vx or dou u by dou x plus I dou v by dou x. This is u suffix x is nothing but dou u by dou x, dou u by dou y. Here we have to substitute by using CR equations. We have a CR equations. Dou u by dou x equal to dou v by dou y and dou v by dou x equal to minus dou u by dou y. Substitute these two. Here dou u by dou x, in place of dou v by dou x we have to write this minus dou u by dou y. Then f dash of z will becomes that is dou u by dou x. Here in place of dou v by dou x we have to write this minus I dou u by dou y. Here we have two partial derivatives, dou u by dou x, dou u by dou y. Substitute this here. We will get f dash of z. Here f dash of z. So integrate with respect to before going to this integration, we have to substitute, put x equal to z and y equal to 0. These two are Milne-Thomson's substitutions. Milne-Thomson substitutions. Put x equal to z and y equal to 0. After that integrate with respect to z. Then we will get a required analytic function. This is our working procedure for construction of analytic function whose given its real part. If it is Cartesian, then we will, after that they given a real part. To find the analytic function or construct an analytic function whose real part is like this, we have to find the corresponding partial derivative. Substitute in f dash of z. substitute that in f dash of z and replace that by using CR equations. After that, put x equal to z and y equal to 0. These are all Milne-Thomson substitution. This method is called Milne-Thomson method. Otherwise, they given into imaginary part v, we have to find the vx and vy. Here ux is there. By using CR equations, we have to replace ux by vy. After getting vx and vy, substitute that here. Then substitute, put x equal to z and y equal to 0. These two are Milne-Thomson substitutions. That after integration, we will get a required analytic function. In case of polar curves, here f of z or w equal to u of r comma theta plus I into v of r comma theta. If the given real part u, we have to find u suffix r and u suffix theta. Here u suffix r and u suffix theta by using f dash of z. What is our f dash of z in terms of polar curve? That is e power minus I theta into u suffix r plus I into v suffix r. This is our f dash of z in terms of polar curve. Here also we have a CR equations in polar in polar form. So though u suffix r, instead of writing though u by though r, we can write u suffix r, that is 1 by r times u suffix theta, and u suffix theta equal to minus 1 by r, this is v suffix theta, u suffix theta equal to minus 1 by r times v suffix r. This is our polar curve. If the given real part, we have to interchange this with u. Here e power minus I theta, write u suffix r as it is. In place of v suffix r, here v suffix r, we have to write minus I r into u theta, minus r. This is our f dash of z. Here we have to rearrange this by using CR equation. By put here r equal to z and theta equal to 0. These two are Milne-Thomson substitutions. By using this, we will get a f dash of z in terms of z. After getting this, integrate with respect to z, then we will get a required analytic function f of z in terms of r and theta. This is how we have to construct an analytic function whose real or imaginary part is given. Here real part is given. Similarly for v, we have to find v suffix r and v suffix theta. We have a f dash of z equation for polar form. So after replacing here, if we get v suffix r, v theta, so this is in terms of u, replace ur by this, ur by 1 by r into v theta, then we will get a f dash of z. After substituting that, put r equal to z and theta equal to 0. This is in terms of polar curves. So I will go to the problems regarding this. Construct the analytic function. The first problem, construct the analytic function analytic function whose real part is u equal to log of square root of x square plus y square. Here they given real part. We have to construct the analytic function for this. This is our Cartesian form. Here u is there. For better easy simplification, we have to reduce this. Here square root is there. We have to write this in terms of power 1 by 2. So after writing power 1 by 2, log of a power m, that is m log a x square plus y square. For easy differentiation purpose, we have to write like this. Here u. Next we have to find the partial derivative, that is dou u by dou x. Dou u by dou x, write 1 by 2 as it is. Log of x square plus y square is there. So write x square 1 by x square plus y square. Chain rule 2x y differentiation. Here y is constant 0. 2 to also get cancelled. X by x square plus y square. This is our dou u by dou x. Here what is our dou u by dou y. Similarly 1 by 2 log of x square plus y square is there. 1 by x square plus y square. Here x is constant 0, y 2y. Here also 2 to get cancelled. Y by x square plus y square. Dou u by dou y. Dou u by dou y. We know that what is our f dash of z? Here f of z is u plus iv. What is our f dash of z in terms of Cartesian form? Differentiate this with respect to, we are familiar with this. Differentiate with partially with respect to x, that is dou u by dou x plus I into dou v by dou y. Instead of writing dou u by dou x, we can write u suffix x and v suffix y also. By using CR equations. Here the CR equations are dou u by dou x equal to dou v by dou y and dou v by dou x equal to minus dou u by dou y. By using this, here we have a partial derivatives in terms of u with respect to x and u with respect to y. So by using this, in place of here f dash of z equal to, here write dou u by dou x as it is, plus I into, in place of dou v by dou y, we have to change this in terms of u. Here dou v by dou y, in place of dou v by dou y, by using this equation we have to write dou u by, here dou u by dou x equal to dou v by dou y. This is x. Here differentiate partially with respect to x. Here dou v by dou x. So in place of dou v by dou x, here dou v by dou x, we have to write minus dou u by dou y. I will write this minus I into dou u by dou y. Here we have two partial derivatives, that is dou u by dou x and dou u by dou y. Substitute these two, x by x square plus y square minus I times y by x square plus y square, that is f dash of z. By using Milne-Thomson substitutions, by using Milne-Thomson substitutions, by using Milne-Thomson's substitutions, here put x equal to z and y equal to 0. Here x equal to z and y equal to 0 are Milne-Thomson substitutions. Substitute these two in the above equation. So f dash of z equal to, here x is z divided by z square. Here x is z, so y is 0, 0 minus I, y is 0, z square plus 0. Here 0 by anything is 0, so z by z square. Single z get cancelled. Here f dash of z is 1 by z. Here f dash of z is there. We want to find f of z. For that, integrate with respect to z. So f of z equal to integral of 1 by z dz. Different integration of 1 by z is log z plus constant c. This is our analytic function. This is how we have to find the analytic function if the given real part. So here first we have to find the corresponding partial derivatives, that is dou u by dou x and dou u by dou y. After getting that, we have to write the expression f dash of z, dou u by dou x plus I dou v by dou x, dou v by dou x. Here by using CR equations, we have to interchange with this partial derivatives. After that, by using Milne-Thomson substitution, substitute, put x equal to z, y equal to 0. So after getting that, we have to integrate. Then we will get a required analytic function. So I will go to the next problem regarding the same. The next problem is find the analytic function. Find the analytic function f of z whose imaginary part is e power x into x sin y plus y cos y. Here this is our v. Find the analytic function f of z whose imaginary part is e power x into x sin y plus y cos y. Here this is our v. We have to multiply this e power x. So e power x into x sin y plus e power x into y cos y. Here they given imaginary part. We have to find the corresponding analytic function for this. So next, differentiate. What is our dou v by dou x? Differentiate this partially with respect to x. So here we have two functions that is e power x and sin y. Here sin y is constant. Write sin y as it is. Write e power x as it is. Differentiation of x is 1. Write x as it is. Differentiation of e power x is e power x. Plus here y cos y is constant. Differentiation of e power x is e power x. So this is our partial derivative of v with respect to x. Multiply this sin y with e power x into sin y, x e power x sin y plus e power x y cos y. This is our dou v by dou x. So next, what is our dou v by dou y? Here v is there. E power x into x is constant. Sin y differentiation cos y. Here write e power x constant. Here also we have to apply product rule. Write y as it is. Cos y differentiation minus sin y plus write cos y as it is. Differentiation of y is 1. Next, simplify this. X e power x cos y. Multiply this with e power x. Here plus into minus e power x y sin y plus e power x cos y. This is our dou v by dou y. These two are our partial derivatives of v with respect to x and y. We know that what is our f of z? F of z is u plus iv. U plus iv. What is our f dash of z? That is differentiate partially with respect to x. That is dou u dou x plus I into dou v by dou x. Dou v by the. Here we have a partial derivatives in terms of v by CR equations. By CR equations. By CR equations. What are CR equations? That is dou u by dou x equal to dou v by dou y, and dou v by dou x equal to minus dou u by dou y. Minus dou u by dou y. By using this here, f dash of z equal to, we have to change this u to v. That is dou u by dou x. In place of dou u by dou x, we have to write dou v by dou y. So dou v by dou y plus I into dou v by dou x. This is our f dash of z after replacing CR equations. So after replacing CR equations. So f dash of z equal to, f dash of z equal to, here what is our dou v by dou y? Dou v by dou y is x e power x cos y minus e power x y sin y plus e power x cos y. E power x cos y. E power x cos y. So this is our dou v by dou y plus I into, what is our dou v by dou x? Dou v by dou x. Dou v by dou x is e power x sin y. E power x sin y. E power x sin y minus e power x y sin, e power x sin y. E power x sin y. X e power x sin y. This is x e power x sin y. X e, this is our dou v by dou x. Dou v by dou x. X e power x sin y. X e power x sin y plus e power x y cos y. E power x y cos y. E power x y cos y. This is our f dash of z. So put x equal to z and y equal to 0 in above equation. This is our Milne-Thomson substitutions. Milne-Thomson by Milne-Thomson substitutions. Put x equal to z and y equal to 0. After substituting that, here x is z, e power z, here y is 0, minus e power z y 0 sin y 0 plus e power z cos 0. This is our first term. First, that is dou u by dou v by dou y plus I into e power z sin 0 minus xz e power z sin 0 plus e power z y 0 cos 0. Here cos 0 is 1, write z e power z, sin 0 0, the second term will get cancelled, plus here cos 0 1, write e power z as it is. Here sin 0 0, sin 0 0, here 0 into anything is 0. This term will become 0. This is our f dash of z. Next, integrate with respect to z. Integrate with respect to z. Here f of z equal to integral of z plus e power z plus e power z with respect to z. We have to integrate this. For first term we have to apply integration by parts. Second we will easily integrate that. Here write z as it is, e power z, integration of e power z is e power z minus integral of, write this integrated quantity as it is, e power z, differentiation of first function with respect to z. Here e power z integration is e power z plus some integral constants. We have to write that in the last. So here we have to apply integration by parts carefully. Here this is our u, this is our v, first function, second function, write first as it is, integration of second, that is integration of e power z is e power z minus integration of, we can write directly also. So e power z, integration of e power z is e power z, differentiation of z is 1. So here z e power z minus integration of e power z is e power z plus e power z plus c is our, plus minus get cancelled. Here f of z is z e power z. This is our required analytic function. In these problems, these partial derivatives are very important. We have to find the partial derivatives carefully and substitute that to f dash of z, and by using Milne-Thomson substitution we can, after substituting we will get a f dash of z and integrate that with respect to z, we will get a required analytic function. So these two problems are both real or imaginary part is given. The first is real part u, that is log of square root of x square plus y square. V is, here v is e power x into x sin y plus y cos y. We have to multiply e power x for easy differentiation. So after that we have to find the partial derivatives. In place of dou u by dou x, dou v by dou y, we can write u suffix r, u suffix theta, u suffix x, u suffix y. So that will reduce the time. So okay, I will stop here. We will start the next class with some more problems on regarding construction of analytic function. So okay, thank you. The next problem is find the analytic function. Find the analytic function whose real part is x power 4 minus y power 4 minus 2x divided by x square plus y square, and hence determine v. Here in this problem, then it asked to find the analytic function whose real part is given. Here u is given, and also find the v imaginary part also. In previous problems we are constructing analytic function by using real or imaginary part, and also here the extension of that is we have to identify the imaginary part also in the given analytic function. So here this is our u. So differentiate that. What is our dou u by dou x? Here we have to apply quotient rule. Quotient rule says write denominator square in the denominator, write x square plus y square whole square in the denominator, write denominator as it is, x square plus y square as it is in the numerator. Differentiation of numerator partially with respect to x, that is 4 x cube. Here y constant 0, 2x differentiation is 2, minus write numerator as it is, x power 4 minus y power 4 minus 2x. This is our 2x as it is. Here differentiation of denominator with respect to x, that is 2x plus 0. So this is our dou u by dou x. Dou u by dou y, here differentiating u partially with respect to y. Here also we have to apply quotient rule, that is x square plus y square whole square. So write denominator square in the denominator, write denominator as it is in the numerator, that is x square plus y square as it is in the numerator. Differentiation of numerator with respect to y, here x 0, so minus 4y cube, 2x is here, differentiation of x is 0, minus write x power 4 minus y power 4 minus 2x as it is. Differentiation of x square is 0, y square is 2y. These two are our partial derivatives of u and u's of partial derivatives of u with respect to x and y. So we know that what is our f dash of z, or f of z is u plus iv. Here f of z is u plus iv. What is our f dash of z? Here differentiate this partially with respect to x, that is dou u by dou x plus I into dou v by dou x. Dou v by dou x. By using CR equations, we have a partial derivatives with respect to u with respect to x and u with respect to y. We have to change that. So dou u by dou x equal to dou v by dou y, and dou v by dou x equal to minus dou u by dou y. Here partial derivatives of u is there. Write dou u by dou x as it is, plus I into, in place of v, dou v by dou x, we have to write this minus dou u by dou y, minus dou u by dou y. Dou u by dou x equal dou u by dou x minus I into dou u by dou y. This is our f dash of z. This is our f dash of z after replacing CR equation. Here f dash of z equal to, what is our dou u by dou x? Dou u by dou x is, this is x square plus y square, write this, x square plus y square 4x cube minus 2 minus x power 4 minus y power 4 minus 2x into 2x divided by x square plus y square whole square. This is our dou u by dou x. Minus, here minus I into, what is our dou u by dou y? Dou u by dou y is also here, that is x square plus y square, x square plus y square minus 4y cube, here minus 4y cube minus x power 4 minus y power 4 minus 2x into 2y divided by x square plus y square whole square. X square plus y square whole square. Next, by using Milne-Thomson substitutions, put x equal to z and y equal to 0. These two are our Milne-Thomson's substitutions. Milne-Thomson substitutions. So substitute that f dash of z equal to, here x is z square, y 0 minus 4z cube minus 2 minus here z power 4 minus y 0 2z into 2z, here x is z, 2z divided by x square plus y square, sorry, z square plus 0 square whole square. This is our first term. This is our first term. This is our first term. Here x is z, y is 0, x is z, here x is z, y is 0. Yes. So minus I times, here y is there, y is 0, denominator is 0. So z square plus 0 whole square. Here in here y is 0, 0 into anything 0. Here also y is 0. Here this term will become 0. Multiply this, f dash of z equal to 4z power 5 here z square into 4z cube z power 5 minus 2z square minus 2z into here z power 4 minus 2z divided by, right, z square whole square z power 4 z power 5 minus 2z square, here this will becomes minus 2z power 5 again, this will becomes 4 minus into minus plus 2 into 2 to 4z square divided by z power 4. Here 4z power 5 minus 2z power 5 is 2z power 5 minus 2z square plus 2z square is plus 2, 4z square is plus 2z square divided by z power 4. If we divide this z power 4 by individually, 2z power 5 minus 2z square by z power 4. Here we are left with 2z, here 2 by z. This is our f dash of z. Integrate this, integrate with respect to z. So f of z equal to, what is our integration of z? That is 2, write 2 as it is, z square by 2. Here integration of 1 by z is minus 1 by minus 1 by z. So plus some constants here, 2 to get cancelled, z square minus 2 by z plus c. This is our f of z. By using this, we have to identify the imaginary part. Here in the question, construct an analytic function whose real part is given and also find the v. For this, to find v, here we have to separate imaginary and real and imaginary parts. For this, here this is our f of z. F of z is z square minus 2z plus c. Here z is x plus iy, right, x plus iy whole square minus 2 by x plus iy plus c. So here expand this by using a plus b whole square, that is x square plus I square a square b square plus 2ab, 2a is x, b is iy, minus x plus iy is there. We have to multiply this by complex conjugate I minus iy, x minus iy divided by x minus, multiply x minus iy and divided by x minus iy plus c. Here x square, I square value minus 1, write y square minus 2x iy. Here 2 into x minus iy, 2 into x minus iy divided by here a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square, I square y square plus c. Here x square minus y square plus I into 2xy, I into 2xy minus 2x minus 2iy divided by x square, I square value minus 1, that will becomes plus y square plus c. Here x square minus y square plus I into 2xy, here divide this individually, x square plus y square, Here minus into minus plus 2iy divided by x square plus y square plus c. Here separate this real and imaginary terms. X square minus y square minus 2x by x square plus y square plus I into 2xy here 2xy minus plus 2y by x square plus y square. This also real, write this c as it is. So if we take the LCM x square plus y square, next multiply this by x square plus y square into x square minus x square plus y square into y square minus 2x plus, if we take the x square plus y square LCM, so 2xy into x square plus y square plus 2y plus c. Here this is our v, imaginary part. If we simplify this, we will get the real part in the question, that is v u equal to x power 4 minus y power 4 minus 2x divided by x square plus y square. If we multiply this, we will get v equal to 2x cube y plus 2xy cube plus 2y divided by x square plus y square. This is our required imaginary part. So here x power 4 x square y square, here plus x square y square minus x square y square get cancelled, minus y power 4 minus 2x divided by x power x square plus y square. This is our real part, this is our imaginary part. This is how we have to evaluate v by using the given analytic function. Okay.